Hi there, and today we're going to learn about how to add a discount banner in Wix Studio. So here I am in my Wix Studio website, and as you can see, my header already has a banner right here. So we will copy how that looks so that I can show you how to create a banner. First, I'll just create a new section right here, and then from here we will select grid layout, and then we will just select these two rows right here. So let's click on it, and then now we have two rows in our section. Then we can adjust the size of this section. You can see we just only need a small section right here, and then we will select this first cell and then lower its size like that. Then we will change its background, so we can just copy this blue background right here by click on the cell again, click on the inspector tool, and then we will change the background right here. And then we have a bunch of different backgrounds right here, or we can just copy the color of this first banner right here by just clicking on this eyedrop tool and clicking on its background and clicking on apply. And then there we have two banners that are of the same color. So it doesn't have to be the same color, you can just choose another color if you want. So for example, if you want a gradient color, you can do that as well. If you want this fluid gradient color, you can do that as well and customize it. So it depends on your preference, but I'll just choose the plain blue one. And after this, we will add a text. So what you can do is go to add elements, go to text, select any kind of text style that you want. I'll go with this heading 6 and just attach it right here. So now that I have this text, we can first change its color on the inspector tool, change it into white so that it's more visible, and then we can edit the content of the text by just double clicking on it. And for example, we can put in like that, and just send this on sale today up to 30%. And then we can adjust the alignment of the text. So let's just put it at the middle, and you can adjust the size of the specific text box as well. And then let's just drag it to the middle, and then now we already have our discount banner. But as a bonus, we can also add an animation effect right here, this cross animation effect, so that it will look like this. It scrolls along your banner. So we can adjust the animation if you want it to be a little bit longer, maybe 8 seconds. And then the direction of the animation is to the right or from right. So once I click on preview, we can already see its effect is happening. But once I change this from left, you can see that the animation will now go to the left. And then you can also choose the top and bottom effect. So it really just depends on your preference, but I'll just go with the from right effect, and then click on preview. And then as you can see, the animation of our banner is happening, and we have already created our banner. And that is how you add a discount banner in Wix Studio. I hope you learned how to do it, and thank you for watching.